Welcome to the Bead Buddies Kit. In this video, we will go over what's included, how to set it up, and how to run this activity at camp. Let's get started. When you receive your kit, check the What's Included list on the top of the bin. Do this prior to the start of the activity. Let's begin. All right, guys, we're gonna make a frog today. I love her. So, what you're going to do is you're going to look at your instructions, okay? Because I don't need you being like, I don't know what to do. I'm literally making a video. You're welcome. Anyways, so we are first gonna start with our template. Okay, we're doing a frog today. So you're gonna find your little string, right? You're gonna measure it. This one's not to size. This is an example. You're gonna take your little lighter. Do not give it to the children, please. I know that's common sense to some of you. It's not to all. No lighters for children. You're gonna burn the edges. You're not on fire. You're burning it to make it easier to work with, right? All right? You're gonna do it to both sides. You're going to make sure not to touch them after you put fire on them. They will hurt you. You're going to match up both sides so you have a loop at the bottom. You are going to, if you're using this clip, feed the two ends through the hole like this, and then you are going to feed it through the loop and pull through. Next, if you're using your binder ring, you're going to take your string and do the same motion, except this time you're going to put the loop in first and then stick your fingers through the hole and pull the tail. Makes it a lot easier, I promise. After you've completed one of these steps, you're going to take a little bit of tape, okay, and you're going to place it on your table. This will ensure that it does not move because you don't want this sliding everywhere. I promise it's not fun. You're going to have two strings, obviously. One string is going to be your left string. The other is going to be your right. You are going to look at your pattern and you are going to follow it that way. So you're going to put 3 beads, if we're doing our frog, on one string. You are then going to place it on the table and take your right string and feed it through. You are not feeding them through the same sides. If you feed them through the same side, they will not stay. They're going to fall off. So you're going to pull them up to the top like that to start your next row. You can do whatever color you want to do. You do not have to do what's on the pattern. You just got to follow the steps, okay? It don't matter, promise. You can be as creative as you want. So now that we've got a few rows done, we're going to start on the arms. This part is difficult for campers, especially the younger campers, and they will ask for help. Please help them because it's not fun when they cry. We all know this. So you're gonna add your first beads on. So it's asking for 4 green beads, guys. And then you're going to put 3 on the end too, like this. You're gonna make sure that you follow it in this way. So the green are going to be closer to the body and the yellow will be further away for the feet. So you're gonna push all your beads up like that. And then you see how they loop through this one? Instead of taking your other string and going through, you're going to move 2 beads out and then feed the rest through. I know it's weird. Don't do this for any other part, just arms and legs. So once you have it like that, you just pull it closer to the body and adjust your little feet. And then you have it like that. Done, then you're going to follow to the next row. So we had 4 rows before the arms, so now we're going to move down to the 5th row. That takes 6 green beads, so we're going to put them on one side and feed the other through. All right, now we are at the end. You need to make sure that you tie the ends of your bead buddies. If you do not, all the beads will fall off and you'll have some sad campers. Nobody wants sad campers. So as we're tying it off, we're doing just regular knots like that, real tight so nothing comes loose. Then we are going to cut the long tails just short enough, not to where they're next to the knot, but close enough. You're going to undo your tape because you don't want to burn your table. You're going to take your lighter and burn the ends again to secure the knot. After you've completed this step, you can give them to your campers after you, please don't give them anything hot. You don't want to burn their little hands like I almost just did. But after you're done, you can give them to your little campers to take home and put on your backpack.